In this video, we will learn how to find the descriptive statistic for the data. So what you need to do first is to download the data, example 1 GPA. And after you download the data, and you will find the first page is called the example 1 GPA. So we have the first column filled by the data GPA. So from A1 to A121, so which means we have 120 data. So how can we find mean, median, mode, standard deviation, etc. for this data set? So what you need to do is first select the data analysis. So after you select the data analysis, you have many different analysis tools, ANOVA, correlation, covariance. But what you need to do is select the descriptive statistics and then click OK. So now you will see the window called Descriptive Statistics. So they have, generally speaking, they have two areas. One is input area and output area. So let's first finish the input area, which means you need to tell the Excel where is your original data. So the input range is the first column from A1 to A120. So you can either click this little icon to choose it, or in another option, you can just directly to type in A1 to A121. So now if you look at the first row, so the first row A1 is the GPA. It's obviously it's not the data. It's a label for this data set. So you need to check labels in first row. You need to tell the Excel the first cell, it is not data, it's a label for the data set. So now you finish the input area. So now let's move to the output options. So we can place our result in a new worksheet. So new worksheet play. So let's name it descriptive statistics. So let's name it descriptive statistics. Then you need to check summary statistics. So now you've done, so just click OK. Wow, you will find before we only have example 1, example 2, example 3, sheet 3, but now we have one more sheet called descriptive statistic. That is what we just created. So now you can try to make the data, make the width of the cell fit for the content. So by selecting the first column and play your mouse in the middle between the two columns, and left double click your mouse. Now you can see the width of the cell fit to the content. So now we have the mean, standard error, median, mode, standard deviation, sample variance, and the range, minimum, maximum, sum, count. So we don't really need to use the calculator to calculate each one of them. You just use one command, you can get what you want.